Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sparkling Doodling Koala. I love Sanrio characters, and Kuromi is one of my favorites. So today we are drawing Kuromi with a cuter face. The first step in drawing Kuromi is to make kind of like a ovalish shape, but you just don't attach it at the bottom. And then you're going to draw a curved line with a triangle in the middle, and then you're just going to keep going. Mine didn't come out so perfect, but that's okay. Now we're going to do the hands. For the hands, you're going to draw cute, kind of like little circles, and the arms are just going to be like kind of like little long U shapes. Then for the mouth, you're going to draw kind of like a V shape, and then for the nose, you're just right above and just going to draw a little circle. For the eyes, they're going to be kind of like ovals, kind of like ovals, and then you're going to draw two little circles inside, and then right now it doesn't look so much like a girl, so we're going to add cute little eyelashes. And now we're going to draw the ears. For the ears, you're just going to draw, for the first one, you're going to draw two little lines coming out to the sides. And then you're going to draw like an upside down V with a little circle at the top, and then for the next one, you're gonna do the same thing but on the other side. And then you're gonna draw like the little skull design at the top. For the skull, you're gonna draw a little circle just like you did for Kuromi's head, but smaller and at the triangle you did. And then you're going to draw three little, kind of like up and down, and draw like three little rectangles. And then two circles for the eyes. That's really just her skull. And then, since you have like a little thing at the bottom, you're going to draw two little kind of like a double, kind of like two V's attached to each other. And then you're gonna draw two circles just like what you did for the ears, and draw two more here. Then for the cheeks, you're just gonna get a pink paper. I'm just gonna draw two little circles, and since I have pink, I'm just gonna color in everything that is pink. If you're using a pencil right now, you can color in later, or you can make your own style of her. But I'm just gonna do it like that. And there you have your cute little Kuromi.